Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're practicing with these words. They all end with E, but the E is not silent. Normally in English, if you have an E at the end of a word, it's a silent E. But these E's are not silent. We're going to pronounce them all the same with the long E sound like green bean. Let's take a look at the first word, hyperbole. Hyperbole. Use the long I for the Y, high, per, like the burger, hyper, b. Use the relaxed sound like cup and up, hyperba. Lee, the last E makes a long E sound like green beans, hyperbole. Hyperbole is a noun. It is an exaggeration. If you exaggerate your story to make it sound incredible, then we say it's hyperbole. Example, this is the most important problem in the world. That's hyperbole. Our next word is vigilante. Vigilante. Pronunciation, v, make the V sound for the V, vi, short I, vi, vig, j, like juice, vig, vidja. The short sound, vidja, like cup and up. Vigilan, use the a like hand and man, vigilante. The T is silent. You don't have to pronounce a T because NT between vowels, you don't hear the T. Vigilante, vigilante. You can pronounce the T if you want to. You can say vigilante. It's correct. But normally in America, you'll hear vigilante. If you say a vigilante, that's a person who takes the law into his own hands and does the job of the police, but the person is not a police officer. That is a vigilante. You can also use it to describe a group. They are a vigilante group. They go out in the street with guns and they stop crime, but they're not real officers. They do it because they want to. It's not legal. They're a vigilante group. Our next word is epitome. Epitome. The first syllable is like cup and up. P. Use the I sound like this is. Epita. Epita. The T is between vowels, so it's pronounced with a D, a fast D. Epita. Epita. Again, we have the short sound like cup and up. Epita. Epita. Me, like me, using the long E sound. Epitome. Epitome. When we say epitome, we say the epitome. We use the long E for the. We don't say the epitome. We say the epitome. The epitome is the ultimate, best example of something. Example, the devil is the epitome of evil. He is the best example of evil, so he is the epitome of evil. Use the connector of. So we always say the epitome of. The devil is the epitome of evil. Let's practice. This is the most important problem in the world today. Is that an example of hyperbole? That's right, that's an example of hyperbole. These people go out at night with guns to stop crime. Are they a vigilante group? That's right, they are a vigilante group. Is the devil the epitome of evil? That's right, the devil is the epitome of evil. So remember these words. They're very special because they end with E, but the E is not silent. We pronounce them all the same with a long E like green beans. Hyperbole, vigilante, and epitome. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, tell a friend and watch it again. We'll see you next time.